Hey, happy Tuesday. I don't hear you.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. Happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday today, right? Okay, so how are you? You look fine and pretty. Okay, my dear, let's play a game. This serves as oh, but before that, let us sing very quickly our encouragement song. You know this already. Okay, here. Do you remember this song? Okay, let's
I am
sing.
learning
I
and growing every day.
okay,
You,
again.
you,
Okay, again, please.
you.
I am learning and growing every day.
Oh, I am learning and growing every day.
It's
I am
okay.
learning. I am learning and growing every day. It's okay to
It's okay
miss
to
that.
make mistakes. I'm trying my best each day. I am learning and growing every day. Clap, clap. Okay, again, please. I am learning and growing every day.
Teacher,
Okay.
I don't hear you.
On it. Oh, can't you hear it? Can you hear me now? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Again, I am learning and growing every day. Clap, clap. I am learning and growing every day. Clap, clap. It's okay to make mistakes. I'm trying my best each day. I am learning and growing every day. Clap, clap. Okay, it's your turn.
I am learning and growing every day.
Clap, clap.
I am, I am learning and growing every day.
Clap, clap.
It's okay to make mistakes. I'm trying my best each day. I am learning and growing every day.
Clap, clap. Very good. Good job, my dear. Okay. Learning and growing every day. Good job. Now let's have a game. This looks like a review. Okay, now let us see if you remember our verbs present simple and present continuous.
Now, do you know ABC song?
A, B, C. Can you sing it for me?
Do you know ABC song?
Do you mean A, B, C, D, E, F,
Yeah,
G? Like that?
I know play the piano that.
Oh, okay. Maybe
I
next.
I Here I read the Vietnamese, okay?
Okay.
Do son son la la son fa fa mi mi re re do son son fa fa mi mi re son son fa fa mi mi re do son son la la son fa fa mi mi re re do
Oh,
son son fa fa mi mi re re. Yes, that.
oh, you mean do, re, mi. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. That's it? Okay, yes. Very good. Good job, my dear. That is lovely. Okay, so let's go here. You have to complete the sentence number one.
I have the videos put in my Zalo
Okay,
in Instagram.
have you finished your homework?
Homework? What is homework?
Oh, your assignment.
Yes.
Okay. So where is your video?
No videos. I play the piano.
Oh, okay. Okay, next time
I,
you can
I
take
eat
a
that.
video while playing the piano, okay?
Yes. Oh, my laptop is many ants.
Oh no, why? Maybe
Ah,
they tasted some sweet flavor. That's why they crawl on your laptop.
my dear is. Oh no!
Oh no, why?
Whoever
Are
is
there
there.
many ants? Okay, you can show them. You can
Is
show.
scared. The ant is on my hand.
Oh no. So is it okay now? Okay, just let them be.
Oh,
Just let the ants go away. They will go away later on.
what is in a
Oh
Querty
no.
O P?
Oh no. You can wipe
It's
something.
it's under that.
Oh no.
Yeah,
You,
teacher. Oh no.
you can wipe them off like this. My dear, here, like this. Oh, you can wipe them off like this.
Oh, but it's very.
They are many.
See.
What will you do with the tape?
No.
They will get scared.
Okay.
They
For me.
will get scared of you because you will stick them on the tape.
Here. Look at them.
Oh no, so many. Oh no. Okay.
Two ants.
Two ants. Okay. Okay, they won't bite you anymore.
Look.
Yes, I can see them. Oh no. Okay, my dear. Okay, just let the ants go away. Okay, let's answer here. Can you see our screen? Okay, what
Yes.
is your answer for number one? Oh no,
A bug.
another bug.
It's
Okay, just let
very.
them be. Just let them be crawl. Just let them crawl away, okay? They will crawl away later. Okay, my
No.
dear number one, do you remember the answer for number one?
Yes.
Okay, what is your answer?
Dear, wait for me.
Okay,
Thank you, teacher.
okay.
Thanks. Hello. Hello.
Okay, my dear. Everything all right? Okay, so let's go here. What is your answer in number one? John,
Please. Please.
uh, okay,
Please.
but he is doing something at the moment, right now. Do you
What is
remember?
mom? What is
Moment,
mom?
at the moment, right now. It
What
means
is moment?
moment. When we say at the moment, it
What
means
is
right now.
oh place
Okay, do you remember?
S.
Okay, John is with ing. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we use John is playing with ing. Football right now, at the moment. Okay,
We often write tests at our school.
very good. Right, without S. Number three.
I talk.
But can you see here now? There is a word now, right now. So what are we going to use again?
Talking to
Very
my
good. Okay, I am talking with ing. Number four.
look, man, Mandy and Susan watch
A
watch
film
the
on
film
TV. But
on TV.
here there is a word look.
Look,
It's the same with now. So what
oh,
are we going to use?
Mandy and Susan uh, are watching a
Very
film.
good. Okay, very good, my dear. Are watching a film on TV. Number five.
Olivia um, vis- visit
Very good.
visit
Very
her
good. Visit. Because of the word every weekend,
and
every day, every month. Okay, very good. Good job.
now the sun
Remember, there's a now here, right now. So what are we going to use?
now the sun is sunshine.
Shining is shining. Very good. Good job.
Some
Num
they sometimes read read
yes, okay, without S, read.
yeah,
Okay. Number
li-
seven.
listen. The band is playing the
Very,
new guitar.
very good. Because of the word listen, it's the same with look and right now. Okay, is playing.
Do
Number
you
nine.
do you go to school by bike?
Okay, very good. Do you go to school?
Do you go to school right now? Every morning, my mother gets up
Very
at
good.
6
Okay,
o'clock.
gets up.
It's my game.
Okay, with S. Good job, my dear. Okay,
Yeah,
check,
what is
check,
my
check.
game?
Okay, you got the perfect
What is my
score.
game?
Five.
What
Okay,
is my game? My link.
what is it? What did you
What
say?
is my game?
My game. Ah, your game. Okay. We have here in our next.
Do
Okay.
you, do you do you have in the Google?
Oh, I have no game
You
in my.
you 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 write the question. Oh, T T K 12. TK 12.
Okay, we will search for.
It's half complete. It's half complete in them, but I don't like that game.
Okay. Oh, let's try here. We have a new game in our new lesson here. Okay, let's go.
Here,
Yes.
look.
What is it? Oh no. Is there an ant?
Yes, I'm adding
Oh
that.
no. It's very we are sorry for the ant. Okay, my dear,
Teacher, teacher, sheep equal sheep.
sheep. What sheep? Can you spell sheep?
Oh, dear, foot, feet,
Yes.
mouse, my,
Mice.
mice,
Okay.
um,
Child.
child, children,
Very good.
um,
Baby.
baby, babies.
Okay. What else? Okay, what else can you remember? What words can you remember with singular and plural?
Okay, just I the
Oh,
homework in class.
okay.
Look in here. Uh, is a what is it? Uh,
Okay, what words can you remember?
oh, in that is not have. I don't have.
Okay. How about goose? Do you know the animal goose?
Oh,
What are its plural form?
uh, goes.
Okay, that is your assignment. Okay, you find the plural form of goose. Okay. Okay, my dear, let's go here. Unit 2. We will have a game here. Oh, by the way, what is our lesson for tonight? Wearing and.
Carry.
Okay, wearing and carrying. Okay, let's go here. Okay, what's the instruction? Say. Can you help teacher here? Say one thing.
Say one things you need.
What is it? Say one thing that.
One things that you are wearing today.
Okay. Oh, can you describe what you are wearing tonight, today? Oh, you can
Today
say, I am wearing
I am wearing a t-shirt.
what
It's
color?
the picture Kuromi, and I have the short is half. The color is blue.
Okay. Again, you can say, I am wearing a pink. Is that pink t-shirt?
No,
What color?
purple.
Okay, purple. You can say, I am wearing a purple t-shirt with Kurumi print on it. Okay, can you say that? I am wearing a
I
purple
am wearing a purple
t-shirt with
shirt with
Kurumi print on it, on it,
yeah
and a blue short, right?
yeah.
Okay, my dear, can you say it again here? I am wearing.
I am wearing the
Oh no, no! Okay, my dear, can you say it again? I am wearing.
wearing a purple t-shirt with Kurami print on it and a blue short.
Okay, very good. So that is our lesson for tonight. Okay. Next.
Do you know the quizzy?
The quizzy? What is
Yes.
it?
Yeah, quizzy.
Is it a toy or a game?
A game. You
Oh,
know? You know?
no, I don't know about it yet.
Yeah, the gray ground quizzy.
Oh, I
Quizzy
see.
gray ground.
Oh, okay. Let us search for that sometime, okay? Some other
Your
time.
shirt. Your shirt now.
Okay, but my laptop is working very slow right now. I can't search.
Oh, yeah,
Maybe
I like
next time.
it. Oh, I like that.
Okay, can you tell me their names? Okay, what
Okay,
is this?
I don't know.
How about this one? What? Okay, which
Hat,
things do you know?
rings,
Okay,
short, skull,
very good.
skull. I don't know.
How about this one?
Queen,
Okay. Oh, crown.
crown, bags,
How about this?
sock,
Yes, socks. How about this?
umbrella, umbrella,
How about this one?
clock.
Okay. Now let's go. Let's hear their names. Okay, let's hear their names.
Hat,
Hat,
scarf,
scarf,
Suitcase.
handbag,
suitcase, hair,
Necklace.
necklace,
uniform,
uniform,
Ring.
ring,
Sock.
sock,
Shorts.
short,
glove,
glove,
coat,
coat,
Belt.
belt,
Umbrella.
umbrella,
Crown.
crown, pocket,
Pocket.
pocket. What is, I don't see.
Okay, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, tights and watch.
It's anytime goodbye.
Oh no, we have to finish the
Watch.
next one. Okay, let's finish this quick.
Hat, ring, scarf,
Okay.
socks, short, sunglasses. I don't know.
Okay. Okay, here, I'll help you. Tights.
Tights,
Okay, how about this one?
gloves, gloves.
Okay, next, let's finish this quick. The next one.
Didn't get,
Okay,
didn't get.
you have to draw a line where you
Top.
use these things.
Oh,
Okay, my dear, you have to draw a line. Where do you use the sunglasses?
in the eyes,
Okay, put a line. Okay, how about the scarf?
the rings,
Yes, very good.
the hand. Hả? The socks and the hand. Yum, 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 yum. Here, the neck. Mommy,
Yes,
look.
very good. Okay. The hat, the shorts. Okay. Oh, how about this one? And this
What?
one.
Oh, in that and in that.
Okay, yes. The tights for the legs and the gloves for the hands. Okay, my dear, good job. Clap, 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 clap. Very good. High five. Okay. Good job. Okay, my dear. See you next. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Have a good night.
Goodbye. Bye.
Bye-bye.